You two playing grab ass over there? Alright, the welders are in the shop. We now have no room for bikes. So, we're playing grab ass again. So, there we go. We got 2 of the 6 items that had to go back in here. It's getting tight.
Oh, I never worked them.
Solvent tank, toolbox, and 2 workbenches. Then we got a bunch of crap put on top of the benches, but oh well. What do you got over here?
Taking the rest of the stuff, open the shop too. We're just opening up, getting everything started.
You know how to work this. How to work this. This is fine American-made equipment here.
I know it is. Looks like a freaking back of a camper.
You have to lift that up and turn it.
I already did that.
Turn it. Now it stays open. Now you got the handle up there.
You slide it to the side?
Toward me. Oh, there you go. Pretty complicated.
Great. Let's start a chain. Let me get this stuff going. Tatro, you tell them where to stack it. I'm going to pass it to them.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we're back unloading, unstacking, unboxing, unpacking. We got Tatro fully repaired. He's got healed by my natural heel list back here.
My back's still bleeding back here.
Hey, it looked like he got beat. See, he's walking now. First he was laid down. A lot of yelling, a lot of crying. But
I got a question. Where's Walker at? Has anyone seen Walker?
No.
Where's Walker?
It's like where's Waldo?
Where's Walker? Hey, Walker, if you're watching this, where you at, bud?
Hey, Walker's at home in bed. Leave the guy alone.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, so a little bit more moving going on, but hey, we're gonna get to the bottom of this. Shop's been downgraded. Still everything's here. As far as all the big stuff that we need to use, all the machines and all that good stuff is still here. So and now I just can't keep the bike here, but yeah, it's okay. But all in all, we're back in business. Business actually never stops.
We're out of business. We're out of business. Now you get the light on now.
Okay.
Let's go get a load.
Well, where's the viewer at that said we steal tools?
That'd be me, wouldn't it?
Let's take out all the blues first. Where do you want this stuff set?
Okay, these 2 go downstairs.
Downstairs?
Where's downstairs?
This is downstairs.
Oh, okay. Blue ones?
Upstairs. All this other crap goes up.
Show us where upstairs is at.
You have to walk around the corner. I already got in my box. I'm waiting for Junior over here to get going. This is upstairs, so you go up. You walk up the ramp too. Okay, there's your new bike facility right there.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this means we're working on the bike at on the side.
You
So
have
I mean, look at the other shop up top.
It's outside too, so you have to worry about rain.
Perfect.
Now up here, you have to have a motocross bike to get up here.
This is the secretary need to sit.
So, but you're in charge of filming around here. Why am I going to carry the camera and film you with a bad back?
Ladies and gentlemen, this shop is really bigger than I thought.
Smaller than I thought. It's full of crap. There's the office area. Of course,
You gotta
I
clean that out.
I already did. I put all my junk in there.
Oh, okay.
Did this shelving just get put in or has it been here?
The centerpiece here I just put in. Okay, you got to squeeze down that narrow ass aisle. You go way down to the end and you stuff stuff on shelves, whatever there's room.
This is, where do you want this crap?
This is racing bike crap.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tatro does not own a race bike.
You haven't raced in the last 10 years, ladies and gentlemen.
I raced it 3 years ago. Oh, that XR pump pan got in the way. Okay, now if you put it right here toward the middle. Okay. Does that not fit in there?
Nope, doesn't.
Okay, so the air horn is going to have to go elsewhere. We'll just put that right there.
Where did they put these shelving in? Didn't really measure correctly.
They didn't measure correctly?
Nope.
Looks like it fits to me.
You're never going to get anything out of here.
Well, I don't race, so what do I need to get out of here for? I'm going to put this over here.
Well, I'm building a race bike.
Okay, now you can put them straight in right here, starting here.
Yeah, this is going to have to go somewhere
I'll
else.
put it up higher. There you go, that's a good spot. It's also open downstairs here. We got room down here too. We might have to do some rearranging. There appears to be a few boxes stacked up here. Now somebody said they want some gaskets. I think they're back there somewhere.
All the blue boxes
Now,
right here? to
to get your primary gasket, we'll have to move this pile to get to it. What was that?
All the blue boxes up top, right?
Everything comes up here.
Oh yeah?
Everything comes up here.
Well, if anyone needs a motorcycle cover, it's easy to get to.
I got a cover right here. We also have patches
We have
right
a cover
here
in stock
and
on
stickers.
sale, ladies and gentlemen.
We got stickers and patches. Here, you got a sticker yet? Oh, you didn't catch it very well.
This one's damaged.
Sure, stay right there. Here.
Yeah.
Okay, $5.
Oh, fuck. Can't squeeze a quarter out of this fucking guy.
That was each.
Oh, wow.
Hey, your pants fell off.
Yep.
your
I
mama
got a belt to hold them up.
Did your mama tell you to pull your pants up?
Yeah.
That's the first thing I got told, and after a couple of boots up my ass, I figured it out. Alright, it appears that they want me to start working. Alright, we're going to be doing some loading. That and looking at his butt hanging out.